Hi everyone, I am back with another review, and today it is all about this diffuser from Volant that I bought recently. It has been on my wish list for a while, and when I found the diffuser and 3 essential oils on sale for Black Friday, I immediately added them to my cart and purchased all of them. Something about the aesthetic of this product just really spoke to me. Also, we have a bathtub in our house, and a diffuser was just the thing that I needed to create that nice spa-like atmosphere in our bathroom. But enough about all of that, let's start the review. So we're gonna start with the packaging. It is nice and minimalistic. I chose to get the white diffuser, but it's available in black, gray, and a reddish clay color as well. It comes in a nice and sturdy box that feels very smooth. When opened, the first thing you see is a sheet of paper that welcomes you to the Volant experience. If you flip the paper, you'll find some simple instructions on how to use the diffuser, and we'll get back to that later. In the small box, you'll find the cord for the diffuser, and there you have the diffuser itself. The top part of the diffuser is hard and made of porcelain, but it has a grainy surface, so it's not smooth at all like you probably imagined when you heard the word porcelain. I'm not sure I like that texture, but I think it correlates well with the spa vibes that this product has. The surface feels more like fine grit sandpaper or rough stone. And now I will demonstrate how to use it. So you have to remove the porcelain part of the diffuser. There's a plastic bottle on the inside. This plastic is 100% BPA free. You can remove the lid here as well. Then you pour water into it. Just pay attention to the maximum water line. I'm using distilled water since there's no minerals in it. The water in Denmark where I live is very rich in minerals, and those build up in appliances over time, and I would hate to have to descale this product along with all our other appliances that also need descaling once in a while. I also like to take good care of my appliances to ensure that they last for many years. So the instructions don't say specifically to use distilled water, but if you, like me, live in an area where the water is very hard, I would for sure use distilled water instead of just using tap water. And then you add 12 to 16 drops of essential oil. I'm only adding 12 because I don't really know what to expect of the intensity of the scent. If you push this button once, it will diffuse continuously for 4 hours. If you push it twice, it will diffuse intermittently, so 30 seconds on and then 30 seconds off where it doesn't emit anything. This program lasts 8 hours, and it's ideal if you like to diffuse oils while you're asleep. There's a lovely slim light panel down here, and you have to turn that on manually like that. You can turn off the light by pushing the same button in the back. Along with the diffuser, I bought 3 different oil blends. This is the one I put in the diffuser. It's called Spa. Back in 2017 and 2018, I worked in a beauty salon where we had these amazing skincare products from Comfort Zone, which are also used by many spas worldwide, and this smell reminds me so much of those products and that time in my life. Since I got them online, it was hard to decide which oils to get because obviously I couldn't smell them through the screen, but this is exactly what I expected of an essential oil blend called Spa. It is a blend of bergamot, eucalyptus, and geranium. The best way I can describe the scent is sweet and fresh at the same time, and with a hint of a flowery scent. I will definitely be using this oil blend in my bathroom. It is super ideal for home spa moments. I'm going to test the other 2 oil blends in the diffuser as well, since the scent is different when the oil is diluted in the water. So let's try this one now. It's called Breathe. The scent is a little stronger than the spa oil. It's a blend of copaiba, magnolia, wild orange, and lavender. Lavender is very strong and dominating in general, and I believe that's why this one has a stronger smell. It's sweet and flowery, but strong. I'd probably use the Breathe oil blend in the bathroom as well. So this last one is called Clean Air, and that's exactly what it smells like. The scent is mild, very fresh and citrus-like, and it's a blend of myrrh, tangerine, and lemon, so the freshness makes sense. I probably wouldn't use it in the bathroom, but instead I'd use it in my kitchen or hallway just after cleaning the house for that extra fresh and clean smell. All of my cleaning products are fragrance-free, so it's nice with a little bit of freshness. And the smell of lemon just really adds that to anything. I personally wouldn't use 12 drops of oil another time. I'd probably use 8 to 10 drops of oil instead, because I prefer the scent to be a little milder, and I think that 12 it's fine, but it's a little too much for me. But this is obviously a matter of personal preference. It might be that someone prefers to use 16 drops of oil instead of only 10, like I prefer. And now I just want to say a little more about essential oils in general and how to deal with them. When you use and keep essential oils in your home, there are some things that you have to be mindful of. If you have kids, you have to keep these oils far out of their reach. Essential oils are extremely concentrated and they can be harmful if they are ingested. So you have to make sure to always dilute the oils correctly, and if you have pets, you should also be mindful of how they react if you diffuse essential oils around them. According to Volant, you should talk to your vet about this, and if you decide to use essential oils around your pet, you should use only 5 to 10 drops, and if your pet doesn't seem to like it, you should stop the diffuser. If you want to be 100% sure that you can tolerate essential oils, you can do a patch test. There's a guide on volant.com that tells you how to do this, and I've linked that guide below as well. And now it is time for pros and cons, and I'm gonna do the pros first. I love the design of everything about this product, from the packaging to the small bottles of essential oils and the diffuser itself. It's very Scandinavian and minimalistic, and I'm a fan. It simply just looks great, and it's very decorative. The instructions are simple and easy to understand and follow. There's lots of additional information on volant.com, such as advice on what oils to use and when, a very thorough, frequently asked questions section, and more. Volant also offers free returns, which is also a big plus. And aromatherapy is just amazing. I love turning on the diffuser while showering or bathing in the tub. It just adds a little extra everyday luxury to my bath routine. That was the pros. Let's move on to the cons. Okay, so this is a 100% individual thing, but I really don't like the gritty surface of the Volant diffuser. And in the beginning of the video, I said that I didn't really know what to think of it and what I felt about it. But now, after using it some more, I can say that I really don't like the surface. I don't like touching it. It feels weird. I'd prefer it to be all smooth. And I'm also a little worried about breaking it at some point, since it's made of porcelain. In a way, I'd prefer it to be made of another material for these two reasons. A smooth material that doesn't break easily would be ideal, in my opinion. On the other hand, the porcelain looks really good, and I imagine that a plastic cover would make it look super cheap. When all of that is said, I am happy that I got the diffuser. I also got it for a really good price because I bought it on Black Friday. I only paid about 76 euros for 3 essential oil blends and the diffuser itself. And normally the diffuser is 99 euros and each of these oil blends is 17 euros. I believe one of them is actually only 16 euros, but I think it's a little expensive. I definitely wouldn't have bought these 4 products if it hadn't been for the Black Friday sale. The Black Friday sale was what made the difference for me. So if you can find it on sale, I'd say go for it. So that was all for this time. I hope that you enjoyed this review. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews and more lifestyle content. And I will have a new video for you again very soon.